Hello my classics and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to try something the Nikki Tutorials did this past week, the green makeup challenge. We're gonna just jump right in. Luckily for me, I have the Color Burst palette from Morphe, the 35B, which has an entire row and one, see, of green. And I've got something I'm going to be trying out for the first time because I don't have any lipstick that's green. So I'm going to use face paint. And this face paint is the Blue Squid. I bought it off of Amazon. It was not expensive. I do not, however, remember how much it was. But it's got these two green shades in it. And I'm going to do lips that way. And this will also give me a chance to test and see if this paint is actually worth it. Because I gotta tell you, when I first opened it up, I was disappointed because it didn't look anything like the picture. In the picture, the pans are removable. In fact, even in the description, the pans are removable. These pans, you pop it out, you break it. But that's beside the point. So we're just gonna jump in. We're just going to do light makeup today. I'm just going to prime the areas of my face where I get pores showing through. I've been doing a lot of research on how to do just day-to-day makeup. And one of the things is I watch a lot of those don't do your makeup like an Instagrammer, which apparently is what I've been doing. I'm of course reaching for my Burt's Bees because that's what I've got right now, and it's also pretty good. And I just got foundation all over my shirt, whatever. Oh, and this weekend, on Friday, like in the evening, I got bored and a little bit down on myself. So to perk myself up, I dyed my hair. I went to the store after I got Brandon from school, so we all went to the store. I picked up a $3 bottle of Revlon hair dye, and then when the kids were down to bed, I stood in here and very carefully dyed my hair because I wanted it to look nice. Please don't get me wrong, this dewy stuff, this dewy face primer does not actually blur out the pores very well. It's not perfect, but that's okay. It does good enough. It's good enough. I'm gonna add a lot of bake this time because I've got no doubt I'm gonna have like insane amounts of fallout. Alright, you know what's the best part about this? Is that I get to go to Mother's Day. The day that I'm filming this is Mother's Day, and the day that you're seeing this is the day after Mother's Day. So by the way, happy Mother's Day to all the mamas out there, including my mama Sin, my girl Sona. Happy Mother's Day, ladies. You guys are honestly a huge inspiration to me. Oh, I'm gonna get teary-eyed. But today I bought my mom, she said she wanted a yellow plant for her house, something to hang. And I literally found one that was nice, and I practically had to elbow somebody to get to it. And I feel a little bad that I elbowed somebody, but at the same time, it's all she wanted. It's all she would tell me about. She wouldn't, you see, she gets mad when I don't get her a gift, but when I ask her what she wants, she says, oh, I don't know. I'm gonna start getting her plants. Okay, I think I'm scared. This is a lot of bold colors. I've not done this yet, so I'm kind of like, okay, but this year is all about doing new things and trying new things and being bolder because I'm really not. And so we're just going to start out by, I think I'm gonna start with this color. It's like candy apple, right below the really shimmery one, as a base in the crease. It's good to find my shape, so hell, I'll just do it all over. Why not? It'll be my base coat. I'm literally just tapping the brush into here and then layering it up because I feel like that's my better bet. This is a very Granny Smith color. I'm not hating it. This thing is so cool. I'm going to procrastinate for just a minute and show you that this little thing, which you're supposed to be able to get damp and wipe off like cream makeups from brushes, just fits right in the middle. This is like filter material. Like it's spongy. You just rub your brush on it. And then on the bottom, it actually has instructions for how to clean it. You just use a makeup brush cleanser on it. Now I think I'm going to take the edge of the same brush, because I just cleaned it off, as you saw, And I'm gonna go in with this darker color, because why not? And I'm just gonna try to blend that into the outer. That's not looking bad actually, that's looking pretty cool. Now I'm gonna take this like aqua right up here and try to smudge that into the outer ring. And into the inner corner. Now I'm going to grab that green apple one again with a different brush though. Hang on. I'm going to use this angled crease brush. Grab that green apple, just a little bit, and I know this looks crazy, and I haven't even done my brows yet. That's where things are gonna get weird. All right, we're gonna just blend that out. I am not doing the exact same thing Nikki D did, obviously, but I'm still thinking it's turning out pretty cool. Now, I'm going to take my finger and go into this shimmery one, swirling, and I'm gonna press that right in the center. Kind of create a spotlight effect. I feel like this is tying it all together. There you go. I feel pretty. Now for brows, that's where I'm going to take a non-brow brush and I'm gonna dip into this color that we didn't even touch. I'm just going to these brows aren't even sisters. Sheesh. That actually turned out pretty good. I'm taking things further than she did because I did green eyebrows. And I'm going to take it even further because I'm saying I'm going to brush off my base. And of course, we need the quintessential. Now I opted, she did a full out blown out smoky eye. I opted to just go with an upper lid and keep my bottom lid, my bottom part clean. And that was a personal choice because it's hard for my makeup to look because I am going to be wearing this all day. In fact, I'm probably going to bring my camera along. Honey, we ain't done yet. All right, now I'm going to go in with this dark color. No, wait, no. I'm going to mimic the eyebrows and do this color for a and I'm going to actually go ahead and grab my normal brush and work on blending. No, not yet. Now I'm going to take this aquamarine color up here with my blush brush. Just, wow, that's turning out dark. Now, what was I saying? Oh yes, unlike Nikki T, I don't get PR packages or any packages actually because I don't have a P.O. box. So I'm literally just using what I have. So I don't have the NYX Lippy that's green. I don't have the Charlie J. Have any of it. I think I have to get this wet. Is that how it does? Yep, that's how it does. So I just got it wet. This one down here, the aqua. Oh. Now this is a set meant for kids, so it is non-toxic. Otherwise I would not be putting it on my mouth, I promise. But seriously, share it with your friends. How many other people would paint their lips green for a video? Hit that subscribe button down below. This has to let dry. Now I get this lighter color. I'm gonna try to do an ombre effect. Yeah, that didn't work. Gotta stop doing that. I feel like in the Mulan movie, you know, when they're painting her lips on, I Feels a lot like that. Oh, that's an even prettier color. Kind of mixed the two. I gotta say, this makes my eyes, which are normally gray. I have got a very rare hair eye color. It's extremely recessive. Being gray is turning out green from this, and I kind of love it. Let's go get some reactions, shall we? What do you think? None of this is in focus.
Can I help you?
It's all done. What do you think?
Is handsome.
Thank you.
I say that he is handsome. I think
Thank you. You like it? You kind of freaked out, aren't you? I look like a bruised falcon, right?
No, you look good, honey.
Oh. I look crazy, you know. You're taking me outside and I look crazy.
So what else is new?
Fair enough. This is how I look in natural lighting. And I gotta say, it is startling. And if I switched the green lip out for like a acid red or acidic red or something really, really red, sorry about the shaky camera, I would be perfect for like poison ivy. But I'm not dressed like that. In fact, I'm wearing a Scooby-Doo shirt because it was green. I feel a little crazy, and we're going to the store. Nervous because I don't normally get people's reactions. I usually don't do anything crazy like this. We'll see how this goes. And now we're going to lunch at Famous Dave's. Good thing I brought business cards with me so that I can tell people I'm not insane. I'm a YouTuber. I did this for YouTube. You guys have no idea, and to be honest, neither do they. But this is gonna be fun. He's laughing maniacally. Well, we're trying something new, so.
Now you can't say I don't take you out.
This is true. Let the record show that he can be spontaneous. Last time I said that, we got married. And he takes me out to dinner sometimes. Fair enough. In we go.
One eternity later.
Okay, well, I didn't film in the restaurant, but we had the best meal ever. I've never had Famous Dave's before, so that was a new experience, and I gotta say it was really enjoyable. I really liked that. It was like a flavor fest, and they really got a kick out of my makeup, and it was really, really great. Overall, I'd have to say that that's probably a place we're gonna be coming back to. He's nodding.
Yep.
Because they were, well, first of all, the food was amazing, and second of all, the quality of service that I feel like we got was tops. Absolutely tops. So if you're ever in the Rockford area and you're looking for a place to eat and you want barbecue, Famous Dave's, seriously, I've never had ribs that delicious.
And I didn't like some tater tots.
We didn't have tater tots. Ignore him.
They were just good French fries.
they were real. Oh, the French fries. Oh my gosh. All right, and now we are at my mom and dad's house. We're gonna get their real reaction to this makeup, as well as giving my mom her Mother's Day gift. Let's do this. Got a hollow bag. Hi, Dad.
Hello.
Say hi to YouTube.
Your lips are green.
Am I Vulcanish enough?
No.
I know. Today's a green makeup challenge.
I see. No, I don't, but that's okay.
Brandon's jacket and shoes. He got himself right at home. Boo. Hi. What do you think of my green makeup challenge?
Yeah, it's green, all right. It's not St. Patrick's Day.
No, but it's a green makeup challenge.
Huh.
Nikki Tutorials did it this
I
week.
thought you were...
Happy Mother's Day. It's an annual.
What do you mean?
It's a grabber of Daisy.
They grow it annually every
Yeah.
year?
It'll come back to life every year.
Very nice.
I'm going home. I'll never stop